I'm fine. I'm just
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
How are you this morning? That's good. Y'all can't put those tablets down for 1 minute, huh?
No, we just got
This one? Hopefully we get to see him.
But it has to be on this side. I don't think that's. But you can't hold the door from right here. You have to hold it from right here because it only comes down from right here.
I know, but I wasn't standing. I was standing there.
But last time you did. It only really boys are supposed to.
Bop, then it's bop, then it's bop, then it's bop.
Oh,
Said big bad, cussing out the Bentley Bent Tager. Ooh, a baka bop. It's crack a bookie boo. Bop, 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 bop. If it's Dennis, lean Dennis. If it's Dennis, then it's rock, pop. Dennis, if it's Dennis, hot. We said big bad, cussing out the
Boop, boop, bop, bop, bop. Lean. Then it's. Thank you, AJ.
move because I can't.
Thank you, AJ. I love that. That look. And then this is such a great piece.
Oh my God! Look at me.
Look at AJ. Look at there. That piece. Kids smile. Y'all Blake and AJ, turn around. Blake. AJ, look. Oh, that was our thumbnail until he looked down to.
Mommy, push this with the road car.
I wonder if that's like the pool, like the, what's the thing that we're looking for? Jacuzzi. I'm not pushing the roll cart, boy, girl. I thought that was like, what? I was like, how did AJ get down there? I thought this chair was spectacular. Let's see what the Lord did today. No. Hey! Okay, Blake, I'll push you in the cart because I'm not doing it again. Let's see what the Lord's weather is like today. Hold on. Ooh! I am. I can't do it holding the phone. Beautiful weather. Let's do it, Lord. Let's get out here and let's do it. And let's do it. We're off to the Children's Museum and back to the Falls Park to see the rocks. Okay.
You do it this way. We'd go
All right.
It's called
Children's Museum.
And Art Museum. Then history.
It's called the Heritage Green. And there's so much pollen out here.
My everyone's brain.
Oh, look. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I like your bow. Blake, she got your sneakers on. We're going this way, B. Children's Museum front entrance that way. Jesus. Okay. That's the Art Museum, Woodwood. Oh, look at the playground in the back. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her go. Look at her.
Look, she's the one that's probably gonna be the first. She's gonna be the
She will
first
be the
one.
first one asleep.
Sleep. Look, she's gonna be the first one back from the entrance. Watch. Watch. Stay back. Walk slow.
She's gonna come back to me.
I bet she's gonna pass the entrance.
Oh, look at the ladybugs. She better not pass the entrance. It's super cute. I'm watching. Oh, who doesn't love trees in bloom? Oh my God. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. She did wait, AJ. She waited. Still got her boots on. Ooh. Yep. I'm glad we didn't come yesterday. Oh wow. Oh wow. Put my mask on. Oh my God, Blake, I love it. I'm watching. Do it again, AJ. My Beyonce. Oh, sing it, ladies. Sing it. Opportunity to sit down. That's what I get to do. What is the Flash? Subscribe. Doing good, Blake.
Mommy, head for my socks.
Blake, you can do it too. Don't let anybody tell you that. Well, let Blake do what she wants to do on the other side, Blake. You do what you want. Blake, you can do something too, sweetie. Build your own thing. He's gonna show me what he created. Oh my, it's absolutely gorgeous. AJ, you did that? Oh, it's so beautiful. AJ. Now you can steal all the pieces. AJ, good. I know. I said we had a smell.
Am I on your right?
No, you're fine. Where's B? B, you want to go see the horses? Come on. Let's go. I'll go with you. Come on, AJ. AJ, you are one bright cookie. I just showed Daddy. I'm going to show Daddy. Blake. Do it again, dude. Do it again. That's good, AJ. That's what they want you to do. Blake with the hat on, though. Blakey. Do it again, Blake. That's right. Don't give up. We are Boogie Boo.
Look. Mommy,
I love
then the twin plane. Then the plane. Then this is the Eiffel Tower. Wait. And then the plane comes.
Get him. He's made of found objects. Signs, buttons. Woo! Great found objects. I mean, cars, books, old pot. Oh, I absolutely love it. Way to reuse materials. Go to your thrift store, get those old toys. Here I come. I need some water. I haven't seen this game since probably 1972. Okay. Blakey! Excuse us, y'all. Alright, let's build it late. We are going down to the bottom, child.
How do you get places without me seeing it?
Hold on,
I was just over there.
Boop, boop, boop. Bop, bop, bop.
Tossing out the Bentley Bentayga. Ooh, a baka baka bop. It's crack a bookie bookie boo. Bop, 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 bop. If it's Dennis, lean, Dennis. If it's Dennis, then it's rock, pop. Dennis up. If it's Dennis, hot. Boo, 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 huh. Okay.
Beep, beep, beep.
Dennis Bob.
Do you mind? Do you mind?
Mommy, stop. Mommy, stop.
That won't work, Blake.
Mommy, beep, beep.
Okay. Big bad pussy now, the Billy Bentayga. Ooh. A baka baka bop.
We said big bad, tossing out the Bentley Bentayga. Ooh, a baka baka bop. It's crack a bookie bookie boo. Bop, 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 bop. If it's Dennis, lean, Dennis. If it's Dennis, then it's rock, pop. Dennis up. If it's Dennis, hot. Boo, 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 huh. Okay.
Dennis is back. Dennis back. Dennis boo. The baka baka boo.
You push me, that's all I know.
Bop, bop. Dennis bop.
You should have. bump of chocolate. Then it's trash.
Blake, I need money. I need money. Can you see how much is in my account, please? $15.20. I won't make it. Push dial my phone number 222. Push it. Say hello. Good job. 15, 20. Blimpy was here? There's no one in here. Turn up, turn up. Keep leaving the wrong room to me. Turn up, turn up. Turn up, turn up, turn up. Woohoo! Yes! Y'all are crazy. Oh, you got a shield. Y'all look like troll hunters now. Until kids do that. They did that too much a while, man.
What started Blake to start saying, you